So if you go to the Midjourney on Discord to generate the AI images, we can see many rooms here, newbie rooms and general rooms to generate the images. Okay, but the problem is here we can see many people are typing, many people are prompting and getting the images. So because of that, finding our own image is difficult. We need to scroll up and scroll down and it takes a lot of time to find out the image. So to solve this problem, what we can do, we can create a private Midjourney server where you only can prompting and getting the images. No other people are allowed to prompt there. So let's create the private Midjourney server. So here at the left hand side, just click on this plus icon, add a server. Here click on create my own for me and my friends. Here you can upload the photo if you want. I'll just give the name just Vishwa. Okay, and click on create and you can see that your server is created now. So after that, what we need to do, we need to add that Midjourney bot to our private server. So for that, just go to Midjourney. Here find out the Midjourney bot, any Midjourney bot. Okay, here you can see this Midjourney bot. Just click on that Midjourney bot. After that, click on here add to server. Then here add to server, you can see select a server. Okay, so here all the server will be seen which you have created. So this is the new server I have created. So I'll just click on this Vishwa. I'll continue now and just check this all and then click on authorize. After that, tick here I am a human. So here you can see we need to solve this puzzle. Please click each image containing a treadmill. So I'll just select treadmill. This is the treadmill and then verify. Yeah, it's authorized now. Our created server you will be able to see at the left hand side. So this is the server, private Midjourney server. Okay, and you can see we have added here the Midjourney bot, the good to see Midjourney bot. Okay, that is added here. Here simply you can just click /imagine. Okay, and you can just type your prompt. So here you can see only you can prompt and your images will be shown here. So this actually saves a lot of time. Before I was also creating the images in that general rooms and it was taking a lot of time me to find out those images. Thank you so much for watching this short tutorial. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.